In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your Gmail account to Proton Mail quickly and smoothly. Whether you're switching for better privacy, stronger encryption, or you simply want a cleaner email experience, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open Proton Mail in your browser and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, go ahead and sign up. It only takes a few minutes. Once you're inside Proton Mail, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface so you know where everything is located. At the top right, click on the gear icon, which opens the settings menu. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, click on All Settings. This expands the full settings panel and gives you access to Proton Mail's most powerful features. From here, look for the option labeled Import via Easy Switch. This tool is designed specifically to help you move your emails and contacts from platforms like Gmail directly into Proton Mail. No complicated steps needed. Click on Import via Easy Switch, then select Import from Google. Proton Mail will now prepare to connect with your Gmail account. You'll be asked what you want to import: emails, contacts, or both. Choose the options that fit your needs. If you're migrating fully, I recommend selecting both so everything stays organized in one place. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you're connected to stable internet, your Gmail login is accessible, and you have enough space in Proton Mail for the import. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unexpected interruptions. Once you've selected what to bring over, click Start Import. Proton Mail will now ask you to log into your Gmail account. Enter your credentials and allow Proton Mail the necessary permissions. This is required so Proton Mail can securely access and transfer your data. After granting permission, click Continue and follow the on-screen instructions. Proton Mail handles everything in the background, so there's nothing too technical to worry about. When the data transfer begins, sit back and let Proton Mail work. Depending on how many emails you have, this may take a few minutes to a few hours, totally normal. When everything is complete, Proton Mail will display a confirmation message. Click Close and you'll also receive a notification letting you know your import finished successfully. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to transfer your Gmail account to Proton Mail easily and efficiently. Enjoy your new privacy-focused email environment. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be considering the move. Why not make someone's day easier?